How to get WhatsApp deleted messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really useful for all the WhatsApp users out there. Have you ever received a message and before you could read it, the sender deletes it? Yeah, we've all been there. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages with a few easy methods. Alright, let's get started. There are a few different ways to retrieve deleted messages. We will do it today, using notification history and Android only. First up is for Android users, and it's super simple. Using your notification history, go to your phone settings, scroll down to apps and notifications or something similar, depending on your device. Tap Notifications, then look for Notification History. Turn it on, and now when you receive a WhatsApp message, even if it's deleted, you can view it in this log. And that's it. Just check your notification history, and those deleted messages will appear as plain text.